Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Abby from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. Okay, let's start with the makeup. I'm using custom makeup for Abby. And wait, I'm going to go to the makeup selection. Okay, and for the custom makeup guys, you can choose this eyes. And then for the eyebrows, you can choose this one. And for the lip, you're going to choose this one. And then for the contour, you're going to choose this one. And for the nose, you're going to choose, wait, let me go to the nose category. Okay, this one. All right, and then for the hairstyle, guys, you're going to do adjustment for the hairstyle. Wait, you can choose this one and you're going to color it with this pink color. And then you can copy my adjustment. Okay, and then combine it with this one and you're going to make it the same color. And for this hairstyle, you're not going to do the adjustment. And then this hat, you're going to make it no ears and color it with this color. And then you're going to do this adjustment. For the position, rotate and then scale. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this item. And I'm going to apply pattern. You're going to apply this pattern for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the jeans area. And wait. Okay, for the jeans, you can choose this one. And for the color, I'm going to make it a little bit green. Okay, and I'm going to make it darker. Okay, done. And I'm going to put on the shoes. Okay, for the shoes, I'm going to choose this one, guys. And we're going to color it with pink color for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it yellow. And for the third selection, I'm going to make it blue. Okay, done. And the last one, I'm going to put on this belt. Okay, and for the belt, I'm going to make it this color. Wait. Okay, and then make it black. Okay, done. And this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Abby from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!